Favorite sex position? Okay, I'm gonna answer this question. My favorite. So I asked you guys for some juicy questions and I hope these questions are juicy enough. This video better get 100,000 likes or even better, 1,000,000 likes. So smash that thumbs up button and let's jump into it. First question. What age did you lose your virginity? I have a lot of questions about this. People are very curious about my sex life. I lost it when I was 19 and my mom was grilling me back in the day. It's like she always asked me when I was 19, 20, 21. She was asking me whether I was still a virgin, have I had sex? And I told her, yes, I'm still a virgin because I knew for a fact that she couldn't accept the fact that I was not. She's gonna watch this video and she's gonna realize that I lied to her. I'm sorry, but... Who was the last celebrity who slid into your DMs? Carly Kloss. When will Chloe Ting become a singer? Do you actually want to hear me sing? I'm not a legit YouTuber until I have a diss track or some sort of music videos like PewDiePie, KSI, Wenji, the Logan Brothers. I'm gonna work on it so that I will be a legit YouTuber. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. My first kiss, I honestly can't remember much about my first kiss. I was in high school, I think. Mom! Don't watch this video! Now she's gonna get so mad because I didn't tell her any of these. What's your favorite workout video? My personal favorite workout video is the 2020 2 weeks abs. That workout burns so bad. Freaking love it because it burns, guys. 2019 one is easier. So if you think 2019 is too easy, you can try the 2020 one. Do you use your boobies as stress balls? What kind of question is that? Favorite sex position? My favorite sex position is definitely bird dog. You gotta try it out. You'll never regret it. Bird dog is the best. Oh my god, I'm turning all my exercises into something sexual now. Okay, I'm gonna answer this question. My favorite, I have a lot of favorites. It's really hard to pick. It depends on how I feel that day. I like to change it up. Most embarrassing blooper. I have one in mind. So I filmed a workout, not realizing that I had nip slip until the end of the video. So I finished the entire workout and then look at myself and boom, my nipple out. And it was a hard workout, so I had to refilm it. How do you earn? By you watching the ads. Watch the ads. Watch the ads. The air come through my vagina while working out. Is that normal? What the hell, girl? Why was there air inside? Maybe you're just engaging your core, right? How many sponsorships have you turned down? Ooh, a lot. Maybe more than 1,000. I only did one sponsorship last year and this year I have VS Pink. Have you ever experienced a negative experience with a sponsor? So much tea. So much tea! I once worked with a sponsor who forgot to pay me my monthly salary or whatever it is. And that went on for months. There were tons of other experiences. That's the reason why I don't really work with anyone. I just don't want to deal with it. I just want to work on my channel. That's it. Have you ever thought about quitting YouTube? Yes, many times. But as of right now, I think I'm gonna stay with it. I hope so. I hope so. What can you say about the YouTubers bashing on your workout videos? That's a tough question. When people use my name in the title of their videos, they get views, and views equals to money. So I get that. I understand that they're just grinding, they're just trying to get views. It's not just creators or YouTubers that are doing it. There are also media companies like Daily Mail that will make an article about every what I eat videos that I put out there. So I totally understand, but do I respect certain creators? That's completely different. That's a different topic. If someone's channel is all about bringing other people down, what does that say about them? And when you look at my channel, you know that those content are not the content I create. I don't talk shit about other YouTubers. I got to where I am today without any collabs. I grinded all the way and I was one of the fastest growing channel in 2020 and I'm really proud of that because it's not easy. I sacrificed a lot of my personal life, relationships to get here. And I think my success really pissed some people off and they just want to bring me down. Some people just can't be happy for other successful people. Any tips to stick to a healthy diet? I think that's the challenge, is that you haven't found healthy food that you enjoy. You can also check out this website that has a lot of healthy recipes. It's chloeting.com/recipes. Just plugging my own website. How to politely tell people to fuck off after they think they're allowed an opinion about your body. You just say it. You don't have to be impolite or polite about it. You can be impolite if you need to. Care about your own feelings. Don't give a shit about what they think because they clearly said something that upset you. Put your feelings over others, especially if they're trying to bring you down. That's just not cool. Who films and edits your workout videos? So I film most of my videos, like what I eat videos or sit down videos like these. I film them because it's just a tripod. But when it comes to workout videos, Adrian helps me out and also he edits my videos. But now I also have someone else helping me with editing, so that's good. Daryl, you have almost 20 million subscribers. Why do you have such a bad phone? Just because this is not an iPhone doesn't mean that this is a bad phone. This is actually better than iPhone. It's a Google Pixel. Just because it's Android doesn't mean that it's bad. Why do you use clickbait program titles? Well, as a YouTuber, you gotta get views. We're so blessed with so much content these days. So it's really difficult to just put out a regular title and expect views. It's just like, I don't even know how to explain this really well, but YouTube is gonna serve you the videos that you click on frequently. So if you don't click on my videos when I put it up, it's gonna affect my channel negatively. And that's the reason why I have to clickbait harder. So if people actually click on my videos when I put it up and engages with my video by liking or commenting on my videos, then I don't have to clickbait as hard. But I understand that people who are subscribed to my channel aren't always interested in clicking on my videos. My engagement is not that great. I have pretty poor likes and comments because I guess people who watch my videos just don't like to like or comment on my videos. If you really want to help me out, then please like my videos and also comment on my videos. That really helps me out, and maybe eventually I don't have to clickbait anymore. Were you ever insecure about your body? Yes. Yes, for the longest time. Ever since I was a kid, because I got teased a lot about how I looked. I developed a lot slower. My friends all grew up really quickly and I was just like the kid. And I just work on myself, work on my confidence, and now I'm the most confident I've ever been in my life. Whether it's my body, myself, generally I feel the most confident right now. So yes, work on yourself. It takes time, but you'll get there. Okay, the next series of questions are all about how I am. How are you, Chloe? Thank you for existing. How are you? How are you doing, Chloe? Tons of questions about my well-being. So thank you guys so much for asking. I really appreciate it. I've been better, but life is stressful. A lot of things happen. Being a creator is a lot more stressful than what most people think. It's tough mentally, but I'm a lot better these days. I'm stuttering like crazy right here. This topic is sensitive to me. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys asking because it means a lot to me that you care. Thank you guys so much. It means a lot. Have you ever met a YouTuber who was different in person than they were on screen? Yes. I met this YouTuber in VidCon Australia, and then when I went to United States, VidCon United States, I saw them and I went to say hi, hello. Like, I was excited because I saw a familiar face. You know, that person literally just said hi, turned around and got back on her phone. I was like, that was so freaking awkward. Like, what was I supposed to do? I just stood around for like a minute or so because I was shocked, like, what the? And I also got ghosted so much when I was in LA, so that was not a good experience. So yeah, that was a bit weird. I was so happy to find an Asian fitness YouTuber, but bruh, you weren't. Am I not Asian enough? What the hell? I'm Asian. What is your biggest fear? Panic attacks. I get them sometimes. How many workout outfits do you own? I'm not gonna tell you that. I'm not gonna tell you that. How many houses do you have? One, my old house. YouTube paycheck. How much money do you make from YouTube? I make enough to be comfortable. Who does your makeup? Me? Like, do you think I have a makeup artist? What? What is your guilty pleasure? Chocolates. I have chocolates every day. Love it. Although I should probably not talk about that because frankly, people just like to take everything I say out of context. I like to have some chocolate every day. Deal with it. Do you want kids in the future? As of right now, I definitely don't want to have kids. I am 99.99999% sure that I don't want to have kids. But it might change in the future. It might. Maybe one day if I have time to give them attention, I will. Maybe. I'm not convinced that I will. Does Adrian get annoyed by how healthy you are? I don't think he gets annoyed because my healthy food tastes pretty good. Update on my leg. It's a lot better now. The scar is still there. It's still like prominent. It was a 3rd-degree burn, guys, so it's gonna take a long ass time to heal. Can you speak any language other than English? And if so, can you speak it for us? I can speak Mandarin, Malay, and Korean. A little bit of Korean. 안녕하세요. 저는 Chloe입니다. bulgogi 맛있어요. 大家好, Taonima. Aku mau makan banyak makanan. Nasi soto. Nasi soto? Nasi goreng. So bad. I haven't used it for years, right? I have not used it since I left Brunei. Do you sometimes feel alone because you seem solitary? Wow, that's interesting. A little bit sometimes because I work so hard. I work 7 days a week. I work a lot. So yes, I can feel quite lonely, especially these days. Best experience since you started your channel? I think the best experience is seeing seeing other people's progress doing my workouts. I feel like that's so fulfilling for me to see how it has changed someone or make someone happier. That actually makes me feel really happy. So whenever I watch people's results or people sending me messages, like really nice messages about how I've helped them, I guess that's the best experience that I had since I started my channel. What are your insecurities? I don't have a lot of insecurities, but this one major insecurity that I have is that I have a bit of speech disorder. I took a long time to get better, and I think I'm a lot better now. I actually went to speech classes. I don't really like to talk about it, but yeah, I have a bit of see what's happening, see what's happening. That's probably my big... We don't need to go any further. Do you struggle with mental health, and how's your mental health? Yes, I do struggle with mental health. It's mostly because I don't have work-life balance. Like, I work so hard. I work 7 days a week. That definitely takes a toll on my mental health. I try my best to have a better work-life balance now. It's not really that balanced yet, but eventually I'll get there. How do you stay motivated in life? Have goals. Have some short-term goals and also some long-term ones. That helps. Would you rather have toes for fingers or fingers for toes? I hate toes so much. I really don't like toes. I hate feet. I think they look nasty. What's the best thing about being a YouTuber? Being able to positively impact other people. I think most YouTubers would say the same thing. It's actually super fulfilling. What's your least favorite thing about being a YouTuber? For me, it's that I can never really shut off. I'm always thinking about work, like what I can do to improve my channel, to grow outside of YouTube, because it is a very scary business to be just on YouTube. I think a lot of people just don't understand the mental struggle and the struggle behind being a creator until you become one, I guess. Maybe some people don't really struggle with it. Some people just breeze through it, but not me. Hi, I love your channel so much. Have you experienced Asian hate? What's your stand on Asian hate crimes? And have you ever had any racist encounters? Yes, I have. Many times. Countless times. I can't even count. I had some really bad experiences with women in the gym. Lots of microaggression, whether it's at a grocery store or just out in public on the street. This definitely deserves a video on its own. There's so many encounters and a lot of people don't actually believe in it. That's the sad part. I remember talking to a friend about it and he said, no, that person is probably just in a bad mood or it's just a rude guy, not because you're Asian. And that came from a Caucasian. I haven't seen Adrian for so long, so wondering where he is. Kind of miss him. Alright, I have a lot of questions about Adrian and whether I have a boyfriend. Okay, let's get into this juicy part of my life. Juicy? Is it juicy? I don't think it's that juicy. It's such a weird thing to say because I've been in a relationship for the longest time. Adrian and I have been living apart for a while now and it's been difficult. It's a big change. Big change for me, big change for him. And relationships just complicated, you know? It's not easy. Maintaining or being in a long-term relationship takes a lot of work, hours, and kind of broke down. There's a lot of reasons behind it. One of the reasons was because we worked together in a very highly stressful environment. Being a YouTuber is very stressful. And I feel like some people don't get it. Maybe some people take it easy, but I'm very ambitious and that doesn't make it any easier for me and Adrian. And on top of that, a lot of people are coming after us. There are media companies, other companies, creators, YouTubers, just tons of shit, legal issues. We are going through our own shit, and on top of that, these things made it worse because we work together. So we both don't have healthy work-life balance. We work 7 days a week and long hours every day. We just didn't have time for each other, and I guess that really affected the relationship eventually. I don't know what else to say about it because it's a lot more complicated than this. And I don't really want to get into it right now just because I feel like it's too personal. I'm fine. I'm trying to be happier and I'm trying to have a better work-life balance. And I'm also seeing a psychologist, which I talk to weekly. It helps a little bit, sometimes not really, but you know, I just gotta stick with it. So that's it. That's the juicy Q&A. I hope it's some tasty juice you guys got here today. If you guys have enjoyed the Q&A, please smash that like button for me and also leave a comment down below so I don't have to clickbait a start. And I also just want to thank you guys for leaving me really nice comments on my IG about wishing me well and all of that. I think a lot of you guys know that I'm going through a hard time. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!